Hello everyone, myself Ashish Ranjan. My roll number is 2001100. I am a first year student from NIT Patna. Now I am going to give my views on why physical fitness is important in current scenario for every individual. First of all, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is a state of health and well-being, and more specifically the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations and daily activities. Physical fitness is generally achieved through proper nutrition, moderate vigorous physical exercise and sufficient rest. So doing regular exercise and physical activity help us to maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, cancers and many other diseases. It also gives us mental peace, helps in reducing stress, depressions, etc. Now coming to the current scenario, as we all know that in this pandemic the entire world has been locked and every individual has to stay in their home for longer period of time. So to stay mentally and physically fit, as we have clearly observed in this COVID time that those having very good physical body and a strong immune system fought bravely against COVID. The persons got easily recovered after getting infected from corona. We also saw those people whose physical body was weak, so they didn't recover from COVID. That's why, so now you can understand how much physical fitness is important for us. To encourage everyone towards physical fitness, Fit India movement was launched on 29th August 2019 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The main idea behind this movement is to keep every citizen of India healthy. He requested everyone to do exercise daily. These were my views on physical fitness. Now I am going to perform some exercises. So keep watching. Thank you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.